Hello student, the chapter name is Water or Water, Class 3, EVS Chapter number 3. In this video, we'll learn about the various form of water, various uses of water, importance of water, and sources of water. Okay, let's move on the chapter. Here is a very beautiful poem. The poem name is Water. I will wash my face with water. Look at here, the boy washing his face use water. And here, a boy flash the tap and wash his face. And here, one grandmother telling story about the water to his grandchildren. Said Mona to his nanny, we all quench our thirst with water. When we are become thirsty, at the times we drink water. Look at here, this boy drinking the water. We all are alive because of water. Water has been with us for ages. Its story can fill so many pages. Look at here the very beautiful picture. Some place in the bank of the river and river flow. We all are the persons, all are the peoples and living organisms alive because of water. If the water is not available to our place, then our life is impossible. So water is a very important element to our daily life. And its story, if we're gonna write the story about the water, it goes the so many pages, and water stay with us before the start the living organism. Somewhere it is dew. Sometimes we see in the water as a dew. Somewhere it is snow. Look at here, how the beautiful snowfall here, the night view this picture. Stream is also water as we know. Look at here, the stream, the flow up. When we are boiling the water, at that time we see the vapor of the water. The stream also known as a form of water. Water has forms so many. Look at here, this is a solid form of water. This is liquid form of water, and this is gas form of water. We basically seen these three type of the form of water. That is what say my nanny. The river flow, the waterfall sing, and water swell in lakes and spring. Look at here, the river, how the river is flow. And the waterfall, the flow here, the waterfall sing. And look at here, a beautiful pond, and lake is here, and spring. These are the river, waterfall, lake, spring, pond are the sources of water. Life on earth, it has brought. The water only brought to our life. Water I feel and life they got. But when the water breaks in floods, sometimes when the water breaks, at the times we saw the flood. Look at the picture. This is a picture of flood. How the people are survived in this picture. Somebody are sitting top roof of the house. Look at here. They are carrying some food item, and they are walking on that water, and somebody is moving on one place to another place through using boat. This is the problem of situation when the flood is coming in a specific place. Great misfortunes, it always works. This is a very beautiful point. So student, you also recite one time to your home, and you getting very good concept about the water after you reading this poem. Let's move on the next. Sutki confused. Sutki is a girl. How she confused is a very small story here. Hiren and Sutki were feeling very thirsty. Hiren and Sutki both were brothers and sisters, were feeling very thirsty. Their uncle gave both of them mango pana in steel tumbler. Look at here, 2 glasses of mango pana to the steel tumbler. But Sutki wanted to drink only a glass tumbler. But Sutki, she want drink only glass tumbler, not steel tumbler. But Sutki was not happy. She complained, "Uncle, you have given me less pana." So after Sutki she wants to take the glass tumbler. So uncle also give her the glass tumbler. Look at here, this is the glass tumbler and this is a steel tumbler. So she was not happy because she think she get some less pana. What do you feel? Did you Sutki glass tumbler have less? What do you think? This answer should be your reply. Goes to the comment section. Hope you all are understand about this, and the second part will be discussed the form of water, sources of water. Now, thank you.